Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Jordan 11s. So we're going to start the lacing style by taking the lace up through that first loop there on the outside of the shoe. Just put it up a little way into the shoe, and then when you take your lace across the front, just pull it out flat, and the end of the lace is going to go up through the first loop on the inside of the shoe. And then if you put your two laces together and pull up, you'll find that you've got laces of the same length on both sides. So I'm just going to loosen that off a little bit, and we're going to start by taking the outside lace across the shoe to the second loop on the inside. Take it slowly through to make sure that your lace doesn't twist, and then just pull it a little bit out like that, and it will give you that nice loose look. Then we're going to take the inside lace across to the second loop on the outside. And keeping that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe to the third loop on the inside. Just a little tip as well, that if you bring your shoes out a little bit, it will pull both of those loops out to the same amount, so you'll make sure that all your loops are the same as you work your way up the shoe. Then we're going to take the inside lace across to the next loop on the outside. Then the outside loop across to the next loop on the inside. Then take the inside loop across to the next one on the outside. And again, I'm going to stop again then and just pull the shoes out, loosen off those laces, and then we take the outside lace across to the next loop on the inside. And then the inside lace to the next loop on the outside. Again, just keeping them all nice and loose, pull them out, and then we're going to take that outside loop across to the inside. So take it across and bring it up. We need to adjust that in a minute, and then we're going to take the inside lace across and bring it up through that last loop on the outside, like that. Now if you want to leave your laces that short, that's fine, but most people I think like to have a curve. So what you'll need to do is just pull the laces in just a little bit. So we'll start by pulling in from here, I think, just a little bit as you work your way up. Like that, just to give you that little bit more there. So you can loop those over and get that nice curve. So there you have your right foot, just checking those laces are all the same. Your right foot. Let's move on to the left foot. So for the left shoe, I'm going to do the same as I've done on the right to make sure that they are symmetrical, that they match each other. So I'm going to take the outside lace up through that first loop, take it across and up through the inside first loop. Again, just pulling out that lace to get rid of any twists. And then to make sure the lace is the same length, hold together and pull up. And as you can see, sometimes it twists, so if it does that, just pull it out a little bit and then just gently pull it back in again. So I'm just going to loosen that a little bit off, and then we're going to take the outside lace across to the inside second loop. Then the inside lace across to the outside second loop. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the next inside loop. And the inside lace comes across to the outside. That's looking a little bit loose. I'm just going to pull that in a little bit. That's it. Then we're going to take that outside lace across. And then the inside lace across to the next outside. Then that outside lace across to the inside. Inside to the outside. And then that outside across to that inside. Just take it up through the loop. And then the inside to the outside. And then we need a little bit more so we can match it to this one here. So we're going to just pull them in a little bit from there. Pull them up a little bit. Just check that they are looking just the way you want them to. Just get those two laces coming over like that. So there you have your Jordan 11s loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.